Opening an Adobe XD file in Figma involves converting the design file to a compatible format. While Figma doesn't natively support Adobe XD files, you can import and edit them by exporting assets or design elements separately. Here's a step-by-step guide. Export Adobe XD file. Open Adobe XD. Launch Adobe XD on your computer. Select Artboard or Design. Open the project or file containing the design you want to import. Export as image or assets. Right-click on the artboard or design, then select Export. Choose a format or export individual elements like images, icons, and text layers. Import into Figma. Open Figma. Log into Figma and create a new file or open an existing project. Drag and drop. Simply drag and drop your exported images or assets from Adobe XD into Figma. This will allow you to add the elements directly into your Figma project. Upload assets. Alternatively, upload individual images or files via the Assets panel or by selecting File, Import, and choosing the images. Edit design. Edit elements. Once imported, you can adjust text, shapes, colors, and layers in Figma. Collaborate. Figma allows real-time collaboration, enabling team members to view and edit designs simultaneously. Export to Figma designs. Group or style elements. If needed, organize or style elements by grouping layers or adjusting styles. Export. Save your Figma design and export files as necessary for further use or sharing.